this LAN cable needs to connect directly with your PC. After this, the machine is start okay. They will be show the IP address of the port LED will be flashing or on. Okay, that means the connector is okay. Then the first we need to know the machine's IP address. Default is this one. Then we need to also change the IP address from your PC. We connect the LAN cable, so we need to set in the IP address. Set this IP address, and also default the gateway is okay. Click OK. OK. After setting the IP, you need to open the software to check what's connected with Scale. Connect the LAN button and find the device. If there show the IP address, that means the Scale connect successful. I will show you how to input and export the products PLU. First, we need to paste the two files. One is a PLU file, and one is a software. First, we open the PLU file. There have three fields: name and price and unit. So we need to open the software. The password, use the admin, and the password 123456. Login. After login, we can open the products. There are no any PLU in the software. Now we need to input the PLU from Excel. Click the Excel input and export button. There we have three fields, so we need to add the three file field. First is name and the price and the unit. Okay, choose the name. The second one is the price field. The last one is the unit. Okay, then we need to close. This is very important. Close the Excel file and choose the input. Input the X file. Choose the PLU files. Open. After the operator has been successful, this means the PLU input successful. Okay, all the items show on there. Okay, let's set up. We need to download PLU into the Scale. Choose this button. And, choose this one is Scale's IP address. And choose the download. Click the execute. Click more times. That means download the PLU into the Scale. After download the PLU, we need to design the label template for Scale. So first we need to click the printer formatter button, add a new one, and type the name, new, name is any name is okay. Next, we need to set up the width and height. My label size width is 16. Then we can set in 40 millimeter, and height. My label is 13 millimeter. Then we can set into 89 millimeter. Okay, the new label size is 13. After, we need to add the items on the new template. Which one you need to printer? You can edit. This one I don't need. I need the name and also add the weight. After add the sales info, we can double click the field items to choose different field. We need to do total weight. This size you can adjust, and also the font we can make more bigger, and also we need to add the sales total price. Choose the total price, and also need the more big, and the name also we need to more big. Then after we need to add the barcode. Okay, this is a design the new template. This is finished. After this, you need to download the template to scale. Double click these items to download into scale. Download. Okay. Then our scale have a new template now, but we also need to tell scale how to use this template. Then we need to set in the space. First, we need to tell the scale the number. My new template's number is 12. Then I need to set the 0 option to 12 and choose this. And also we need to tell scale what is the height. You can set the 14 options. This is 16 is my label height, and also need to choose this one. Then we are setting this. We need to download to scale. Download. Then after setting this new template is used for scale. After we download the PLU, we can check, type the hotkey if they show the price, and after we put something on here, they will show the price and the unity price. That means the PLU is okay. Okay, now I can test the printer is okay. Okay, this is our setting the new template. This side. Okay, this is what.